Hi, welcome to Performance Unlimited. Here on the stand we have one of our 302 300 horsepower engine combinations. This thing came out absolutely awesome. Let me go a little bit how we got this motor design. Started out with the late model 302 block. Got the Eagle 302 rotating assembly. It's got the comp cams, custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in it. For the cylinder heads, we chose to go with the Edelbrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads with the 202-16 valves with our own valve train on here to support the hydraulic roller. Underneath the valve covers, we got the nice stainless steel full fulcrum roller rockers. We've got the Edelbrock Performer RPM intake with the, and this one actually happens to have the MSD Atomic EFI on here. This thing is absolutely sweet. If you're interested in having one of these motors designed for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over, Donna. I know you guys will really enjoy it.